What's up, guys? This is Teddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video, we're going to be talking about the pipe operator in RxJS. And the best way to describe a pipe operator is a car wash. And whenever you go to the car wash, you have that little roller thing that comes down and starts banging on your car, and there's soap and stuff, going everywhere. And then the next thing, you have these little tentacles that come down and start going over the top of your car. And then after that, you just have hot air that blows all over the top of the car. And it kind of comes in stages. So where does the pipe operator? The pipe operator is the actual car wash is the inside of the parentheses. So let's just actually go down here and let's just make an actual pipe. Where do we put the operators? And the best thing to do is to identify where are the operators. This is of an operator. Nope, of is not an operator, so that is just a creation. That is just how we actually create and put these values inside of an observable. Map is an operator because we are operating on data. Filter is an operator. Another way to describe these are these pipeable. A lot of times people say, is this a pipeable operator? That's one way to describe it. But the most important thing is, how do we go from here to here with the pipe? Super simple. All you do, we have 1, 2, 3, we have here, then you have pipe right here. So we have just pipe, bust open your parentheses. Then this is where you put your map. This is where you put your filter. So filter's going right here. Also, your +1's going in there too. So we're going to, +1, and then you also put your greater than 2 in there. But just remember that all of the pipeable operators are going to go in between the pipe. They're not going to go on the outside. They're going to go on the inside of the pipe. They're going to go on the inside of the car wash. Okay, so now we're going to put a little bit of theory into practice. And what we're going to come up here and do is we're going to bring in our observable. And then we're going to come in here, we're going to bring in our map because that is one of our operators. And then we're going to go up here, same thing, and we're just going to bring in all of this from RxJS. Next thing, let's actually go in and create our observable. And we don't want the uppercase version. We want our own name for the observable. So we're going to go in here and just go ahead and put a $sign on there. So we follow convention. Now you could do for, you could do from, but I'm just gonna do from, and I'm just gonna go ahead and toss in a couple numbers right here. So we're gonna go just random numbers, doesn't really even matter. Then this is going to be our creator. So let's actually go in and create a pipe. So go in here, and then we go down. Now we're going to actually put our real operator in there. If you have regular JavaScript, don't put this. This is going to be just for TypeScript. And then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say val ×2. We haven't really talked about map much. If you don't know what map is, that's okay. This is more or so just so you understand the pipe operator. So now we've done that. So we actually have created an observable. This is a really important part to understand. So now that we actually have the observable, we need to do something with the data. Remember, we always have to subscribe to the data. If you don't subscribe, you can't get the actual value, and this push-pull architecture is not going to happen. So we need to have a value. Then we're going to go in here, and then this is where we're going to just console log our value just like that. And let's go ahead. I set a breakpoint right here. If you want to just run it with node, that's okay as well too. But I'm just going to go ahead and run this and see if it works. And let's see. All of our numbers should be times by 2, and we're doing this once again within the pipe operator. So go down here, and if you look at that, all of our numbers look great. We've got 4, 6, 88. All of our numbers have been times by 2 within the map function within the pipe operator. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.